Here's how I made this beat for Yapo. So first place I started was the drums. The drums are like the main driving force for it. So getting the right rhythm down really helps when you start writing the melody, just so that you can get the timing right. I started out with this clap and I layered it with a snare. I then layered it with a nice subby 808 and I copied the rhythm for an open hat as well. I started out in Xenology with just like a grand piano. This preset's called Hard Grand. Then I just wrote these chords and I put an arpeggiator on it. Also layered it with this pad in Xenology. Now that I had a solid foundation on it, I want to kind of give it my own taste. So I added this flute in Xenology, and then I also layered it with this bell and this analog pad that's in Hive. I then found this wolf howl and I just auto-tuned it. That's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think. A huge shout out to all of you guys for watching these videos. As of this moment, we've just got the channel to like 2K in a little under 2 months. Just been grinding. I feel like this is just the beginning, and I just want to say massive thank you to everybody watching, everybody commenting, liking. It's just honestly been incredible. So yeah, let's just keep running it up. I'm having so much fun making these videos, and there's just so much more to come. On another note, I now have a stash kit out. It's available on my Patreon. All of the drum sounds in this beat are available in the stash kit. It's free to all of my Patreon members, or you can purchase it on BeatStars as well. Make sure to cop that if you're interested. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. And also just a quick mention before I forget, if you want to grab this Ableton project file, that's also available to all of my Patreon members. You can gain unlimited access through my Patreon to all of my Ableton project files, every single one of them that I've posted on YouTube and will continue to post. Make sure to check that out if you're interested in learning how I make these beats.